2008 penny, no mint mark. I have information here. Information I got. Lincoln Memorial Cent, 2008. Okay, here we go. 2008 penny with no mint mark value. The 2008 penny with no mint mark below the date was struck at the Philadelphia Mint to the tune of 2,558,800,000 pieces. That's more than 2.558 billion pennies. And for this reason, the 2008 penny is not counted among the rare coins. Although 2008 Lincoln cents are generally common coins, this doesn't mean they're not worth a lot of money. Yes, the circulated worn 2008 pennies with no mint mark that you find in pocket change are worth only their face value of 1 cent. However, uncirculated ones, the ones that look like they're in mint condition and show number, are typically worth 10 to 30 cents. The most valuable 2008 penny with no mint mark sold to date was certified MS69RD by third-party grader Numismatic Guarantee Company NGC. It fetched $295 in a 2021 auction. Okay, that's all for the 2008 Lincoln Memorial Cents No Mint Mark penny value. Okay, bye for now and have a great day.